This is the quickest and easiest way to make a seafood boil without any mess. And all you need is a bag. Watch this. First, place all your fixings together in a large bowl. That's potatoes, sausage, corn, and onion. Now it's time to add that flavor. Melt some butter, add some minced garlic, and then add half a cup of the straight drop seafood boil. All the flavors you need, all in one bag to make this seafood boil bussin'. Get it from UncleDibbz.com. After you mix that butter with them fixings, set it to the side and grab that bag. That is an oven-safe roasting bag, not one of them bags under your sink. Add a tablespoon of flour to keep the bag from bursting, then add your fixings. I like eggs in my boil. If you like those too, add them uncooked. Add half a cup of water and then half a can of beer. Do not add your seafood yet. Cook this at 375 for 30 minutes. Make sure you pierce some holes at the top to let some steam out. After 30 minutes, now it's time to add the seafood. Carefully open up your bag, add 1 pound of shrimp, 1 pound of snow crab legs, and since my parlay hit over the weekend, I'm adding a couple of lobster tails. Next, melt some more butter, and then we're coming with that Cajun flavor, that Delta dust. Add that to the butter along with some minced garlic, give it a mix. Pour it all over your seafood. I'm telling you, the flavor is like Papados in a bottle. Retie your bag, set your oven to 400 degrees, and cook for 20 more minutes. And just like that, no mess, no stress, seafood boil in a bag. All you gotta do is cut the bag open and dump it right there in your pan. Full recipe in the caption or visit the link in my bio. That's good, shawty.